Hello, I'm Koralp Çatalsakal. Today I will be presenting you my digital design project from course EE 102 at Bilkent University.
My project is an object tracking device which tracks the object in front of it regarding to the distance the sensor calculates. So, my project consists of a small DC motor at 6 volts, an ultrasonic sensor module HC-SR4, and an integrated motor driver which you can see here, L293D. So I use 5 volt power supply in here to give the required power to both sensor and the motor. So my project is a tracking system which is a simplified version of what we call as adaptive cruise control systems in modern technology cars. It's a system that aids the long distance driver in long distance roads, such that if you go to the cruise control system and the system drives the car regarding in a safe distance and safe velocity regarding to the car in front of you. So my system also adopts this idea, and I simulated a simple motor driving system. So first state of the system is the stopping state. And here you see the distance between the sensor and the object is very small, so the motor is at the stopping state. After moving towards the object, the motor starts the starting stage, which the motor starts to speed up. At the starting stage, the motor starts to speed up a little bit, but not that fast because the distance is not very far enough. So after moving on more, we go to the speeding up stage. As you can see, the LED lights up, so that means that the car is speeding up in a fast velocity. You can see the turning is getting more faster and faster. So at that distance, the distance is very high, so that the car tries to keep the distance lower to be in a safe distance. And the last stage of the project is the fastest stage. As you can see, the motor is now turning very fast. As the car is going very fast, the object in front of it can stop, and it needs to stop either. So if the object is slowing, so the fastest stage is turned to this speeding stage. In that stage, the car speeds down the velocity so that it can keep the safe distance. After that, if the object in front slows more and more, such that the distance is keep getting smaller and smaller, the car will go to the starting point stage. In that stage, the wheel will go lower and lower velocity, as you can see, and the system will try to keep safe distance between the object in front. And if the object stops, the distance will get smaller and smaller until the stopping point, as you can see. At that point, if the object in front is stopping, the car will also stop, so that both cars will be safe without any crash.